Uh, and now comes the introduction of Dr. Mule. I request Dr. Sachin Mule, another promising Mule person, to introduce Dr. B.V. Mule, sir.
Good morning and welcome to all of you. Sholapur has given many doctors. Maybe a doctor in his life remained for 2 or 3 decades or maybe 4 decades. But a person who has remained here for a century, last 20th century, we are in 21st century. I practice here for last 2 decades. And in this 21st century, in last 20, 21 years, I've been at least every day I come across a person who asks, "You are Dr. Mule? How you are related to Dr. Mule?" So this is the way, this man who had been in the thoughts, minds of Sholapurkars or around Maharashtra, everywhere, like they talk about this man with so much of respect that I'm really privileged to really present him or present in front of you the person who started. Can I have my slides? Yeah. This is Dr. Bhalchandra Vaman Mule, who is born on 18th of May 1888. So a person from 19th century. And he remained almost for 77 years of 20th century. Can I have next one? He had his college life in Ferguson College, Pune. He studied from GMC, Mumbai. And he was from the second batch as a surgeon. Thereafter he came down to Sholapur in 1919. Yes, next one. He came here because of Dr. Raja Dhanraj Girji of Hyderabad, who had his idea of starting a hospital in this area. Can I have another one? Next one. So this was Dhanraj Girji Hospital, which was started by Raja Dhanraj Girji, but popularly known as a Mule Hospital, all the while in last 20th and 21st century always. He is the one who started surgeries actually in the time of 1918 and 19. And his whole day program was like in the morning hours, early morning hours, he used to finish off his major surgeries. At least 2 of surgeries used to be finished by 7:30. And then he used to take his rounds. Next slide. Next slide. These are the theater which was created by him at that time. There are a good number of stories about him which I heard. I really I need to sit with Mule family to listen and learn about him more. He's the one who started nursing colleges. This was the foundation of this hospital itself. This was the OT created in 1919 or 1819 by him. He was the man who started IMA Sholapur in 1935. In 50, we had a IMA national conference. And 1952, he was the organizing chairman for IMA national conference at Patna. He was an active participant or active worker for RSS, instrumental in starting a blood bank here, extended support to Seva Sadan school girls to promote education in the girls during that time. He had started his boarding school for the poor ones. Next. So tribute to him, and I'll say I'm again I am I put forward like a person for this century, 20th century, and maybe 21st century. Dr. Mule will be known here, and he will remain in the Sholapurkar's mind always. Thank you.
Actually, introduction is just a formality because we know